Hi pups, I hope you're listening to this. This is Nick, your son and heir. Happy birthday to you. I hear it's your 87th, 88th, wherever you are. I hope south of France is looking good at the moment. Anyway, look, I can't hang around. I've just sparked up your Stuart Turner steam engine, scratch built, and it's just coming up for steam. So if you can hang on, happy birthday, and watch this, and I hope the safety valve that you fitted still works. Cheers. Yep, we have steam up, and we're blowing hot and cold. Anyway, Dad, I hope you enjoy watching this. This is your Stuart Turner engine, which I believe is scratch built, and is running fine. And I run it every 2-3 months just to make sure everything's still tickety-boo. I've got another steam engine which I run alongside it sometimes, a traction engine. But anyway, as you can hear, it's still running well. Firebox fine. I hope the safety valve works, as I say, because I've got my glass off. But those people who are watching who like a steam engine, I'll just give you some details as far as this is. Hold on, I can't believe it. My phone has just gone off. Can you hold tight? Hello. Richard, phone back in 2 minutes, right? That's it. Sorry, Dad, that was my friend Richard. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you some details. This is the cylinder, so you can see the size of the cylinder. The flywheel is here, as you can see. So this is the rough size. This is for other people. My father obviously knows. Anyway, I just thought you would like to see it. And he sees the chimney. Anyway, as you can see, Dad, it's all running, up and running, and it is run on a regular basis. And usually it's outside I run it, not in front of my computer. Anyway, I hope you have a very happy birthday, and that eventually the technology will allow you to see this in person, or maybe even hear it. Anyway, this is Nick, your son and heir, as I say. I'm signing off. I'll give you a little bit more of the sound of your engine, okay, and a trip round it. Okay, Dad, I hope you have a good birthday, and eventually you get to see this, because new technology, great. See you later. Ciao.